Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get started, okay? So, basic head shape. I'll start here kind of with the cheekbone here. Okay. And then I'm going to draw this shape over here. Trying to get my hand warmed up, guys. Y'all give me a sec here. Even I need to warm up some. Hopefully this one will come out good. Okay. Okay. Looks like we got something going on here. Let's see what's happening. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Do I know a man named Tupac? I've heard of him before. Uh-huh. Okay, I'm starting to get a little warmed up here, guys. A little warmed up. All right, so now that we have pretty much our line drawing down, we have our shape of our head down. Now we can go ahead and we can start doing the nose. So what I do with the nose, guys, I'm gonna show y'all a little something right here. All right, if you look at my cursor on the screen, I'm gonna blow this up for you. I'm gonna show you a trick to drawing the nose. Okay, the nose does. And I'm going to take a piece of paper out here. Actually, I'm supposed to only have one sheet of paper on this desk. So I'll just use that one. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a trick, okay? All right. Bam. Paper disappeared. Not messing with you. All right. So the nose does one of three things, okay? It's going to go up, down, side to side. Got it? Up, down, side to side. Let me show you what I mean. Whatever the nose is doing right here, you see this? Watch my curve and watch my cursor. You see that? What's that nose doing? It's pointing down. So I'm going to draw a shape that points down. If it's at a 3/4 view, I'm going to make this side longer than that side. You see? So now I can make the nose and the bridge. You see how it works? But sometimes people's noses point up. So in which case you'd emphasize the top curve, and those type of people, you'll usually be able to see their nostrils. You see what I mean? And then you got some people that have a nose where everything is on the same line, kind of like this. But you got to just be paying attention to how it works. So remember, up, down, side to side, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and put that to the side over there, to the side. And see if we can get his nose right. So we're going to look where it's lined up at, and we're going to go somewhere about here. 1, 2. You see that? See how I made it point down? And now all I got to do is draw this. Bam. See that? All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the eyes here. So for the eyes, what I do is I use a tree leaf technique, like I told you guys about before. The tree leaf technique is real easy to use. What I do is I basically just, let's say this is the line right here. I'm going to draw the shape of a tree leaf here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do another one here. Well, I'm gonna draw this first. Okay. And then we're gonna change the eye angle because I want them to be looking at the camera. So I'm gonna change the eye angle. And you can do that if you want because it's your cartoon. You can do what you want to. Okay? Then what we'll do here is we'll just put some guidelines or age lines in the face, okay? And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw the guidelines for his smile. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the smile, okay? So I'm gonna say something like this. Okay? And then over here, we'll just put his mustache because you ain't gonna really be able to see that top lip with the mustache there. Okay. And then we'll put some more hair here. Put the bottom lip, which is kind of small. Looks like he got some bubble gum coming out of his mouth. I don't know. I'm not gonna put that in there. And then we'll go ahead here and we'll draw this line here. And then we'll draw this line here. All right, now we'll go ahead and we'll put the teeth in. So we'll do one big basic shape. 1, 2. And let me put the gum line here. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me see here. You said, can you turn them up your mic volume? Okay, hold on. Let me see here. Mic volume. All right, let me see if I can turn it up just a little bit. Is that better? Can you guys hear the mic a little bit better now? I see the nail. Can you hear me a little bit better? All right. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to just add some little lines here to fill this in. I just kind of scribble it in. It don't matter because we're going to go back over it with another marker here. All right, so pretty much, guys, we get our line drawing and everything down to a science. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start doing the shading portion of the drawing, okay? So for that part, I'll generally use a gray marker. So I'll take out my gray here. Let's see. And we're going to add a little shade here, just like that. A little shade right here. Those darks are what really make a good contour on your face. I don't recommend that you do some of the lines you just don't want to try to do with a marker because they come out too hard. So like for instance on the side of the nose, you'll see I did the contour shade with this marker versus the black marker. So that's just my personal advice to you. All right, so what I'm gonna do real quick here is I'm just gonna shade this beard in And we're going to come back with another marker and make it a little bit darker. But I'm going to put my initial tone down just to kind of get my caricature going here. Okay, yeah, that looks great. All right, now I'm going to put a little bit of shade here. A little bit of shade here. Okay. Yeah, and now we're going to also put something here. Just color this part in. It'll make the mouth stand out a little bit more. Awesome. Okay, so let me downsize the drawing just a little bit so you can see it. All right. Let's take our black marker now. And this is a black poster marker that I like to use for the hair. So I'll just go ahead and I'll start doing my hair real quick. Okay. And then we're going to do something like this. Let me just... Okay, just about done here, guys. Blocking those eyebrows in some. Okay. And then I like to take some shade and put it kind of right here. Awesome. Okay, let me see here. Let me stop and look at some of my comments here. Okay, so oh, thank you very much, Mr. Devin. I appreciate your comment there. Thank you so much for inspiring me to try to step up my game. Okay, I'm doing okay, Mr. Jose. How old am I? Oh my goodness. That's gonna be let me see here. That's got to be top secret. Let me look that up. Yep, it's top secret. No, actually, I'm actually 45. I'm 45 years old, so I've been. So, let me see. Hey, okay. Hello in Peru. Hola, hola. Can I do a picture of Obama? I can put you on the request list. Let me. I can put that down over here. I got a few requests already today. Mono Ginobili. Hopefully he doesn't retire this year. Oh yeah. You can't put too much attention to detail in these types. There's not this one. You gotta. I see you were saying you tried to draw Lionel Messi with too much details. Okay, so let me do a little bit, little hairs here. Simple man.